What is the result when the number 92 is decreased by 50%? We're going to do this problem in the first way we learned, and I might use a little fractions along the way. And then we're going to talk about how to use variables to talk about this problem. So what we are doing is decreasing. And when we see the word increase or decrease, we should know by now, and if you don't, this is a good reminder, that increase means addition. Decrease means subtraction. Now, so far we have 92 and it says decreased, so we are going to subtract. From 92, we're going to subtract 50% of itself, of 92. Now, when you look at this, you might see 50% and say, okay, well, that's an easy percentage. I can change that to 1/2. If you can do that, and that's going to make it easier for you, please do. If you can switch between fraction, decimal, percentage, and put it to the way that makes it easiest for you, I encourage you to do that for this assignment. Now, maybe it's a harder percentage. It's like maybe 16%. 16%. Well, the quick way to change that to a fraction is to just think about the word percent. Cent. There are 100 cents in a dollar, 100 years in a century. If you speak Spanish, you know ciento is 100. So what that means is per 100. And that basically just means if you're going to change it to a fraction, you need to put it over 100. And then you can simplify. So 16 over 100. And both of those are divisible by 4, so we could call that 4 over 25 if you prefer to work with fractions. Again, that's just a little sidebar. But back to the main problem, 92 minus 1/2 of 92. So when we see 1/2 of 92, we just have to multiply those two things together, which we end up basically dividing 92 by 2, which the answer to that ends up being what? You said 46, you're correct. Now once you've got that, 92 minus 46, it's a pretty simple step to say the answer is 46. Okay, but we are going to go a little deeper this time. And if you were tuning me out because it was boring before, now's the time to start listening. So writing it out again, we have 92 decreased by, we'll keep it as 1/2 of 92. And what we can do here is we're going to insert a variable. It might seem unnecessary now, but it's going to help you with your assignment. Instead of saying 92, we're going to just say x. Fix that minus sign. So we will say x minus 1/2 of x. Since of means multiplying, we can say 1/2 times x, or as we would have written it in Dice equations, x minus 1/2 x. And that's how we would write an equation to describe this problem.